Today, I'm going to show you how to use coupons on Superbuy to cut your shipping fees fast. First, log in into your Superbuy account by going right here to sign up button on the Superbuy website and creating your account right through here. You could also sign up with Google to make it even in a faster method. So as you can see here, I'm going to click on continue, and as I did that, the account should be created within a few seconds. Now, as my account has been created, I will click on the Superbuy icon and go back to the main page. Now, as you can see, I will be searching for a product, so I'm going to go right here and simply go and search for a product. For example, I'm going to search for boots. I'm going to click that, and this page should be opening for us. Now, as you can see here, the first time I create my account, if I want to any kind of a product and I clicked on it, now as you can see, it will be loading in a few seconds. I will have to verify myself as a human being after clicking on this captcha, as you will be seeing right here. Once you do that, you will be taken directly to the product page, as you can see. So here, once you can accept these conditions in terms of conditions, you will find out that the Chinese shipping fee is 0. Why is that? Because I have a new account. So the technique is to simply have a new account, and this should be working for you. In case you had an old account, then I recommend you to be using this discount code, which is called SBP or SPB 1025. It will reduce the amount of shipping and also the price of the product itself. It is a very useful promotion code, so make sure to use it.